name is Maneha Valtor, and I am taking your online classes, physical chemistry and different topics on Zoom. And the next lecture is here, and follow me.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, first semester we are discussing here the theories of reaction rate. हम आपकी जो है बुक से नहीं करवा रही मैं आपकी सनाउल्लाह की बुक से इट्स फ्रॉम नोट्स इट्स अप टू यू जहाँ से आपको समझ आ जाए यू कैन फॉलो दिस अंडरस्टैंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूनिमोलिकुलर थ्योरी ऑफ रिएक्शन रेट जिसको हम लिनमैन मैकेनिज्म भी बोलते हैं इट वाज अ बेसिकली जर्नलिस्ट जर्मन साइंटिस्ट एंड जो कि ये थ्योरी है इसके assumptions क्या थे कि दैट molecules which have ordinary energy level when come in contact with each other then as a result of the possibility of fluid one of the molecule requires higher energy as compared to the other. Why? You know that in the gas, molecules are free to move, and when they collide with each other, their energy can be shifted, and that's why their energy not remain the same. In this sense, the activated product has two chances. First one, they collide with another molecule and then deactivate, in which its energy will be reduced, and this energy you can say that it will be too much less as compared to the first one, and second one molecule will attain the energy of the first one, and this process can be continued until energy remain constant. And the second option is that the excited molecule converted into a product. It means it don't collide with each other, but it has enough energy level to become a product. And how it is possible when there is no other molecule to collide and only its energy level is so much high that it can be activated into a product. And what is the above phenomena which you can see that two molecules हम example ले लेते हैं. Let's see, here is the example. Two molecules were representing here as AA, and their K1 is their rate constant. When they collide with each other, they become excited. A star is basically their excited state, and plus A is the other molecule which has the less energy as compared to the star A. Star A, when again combined with another molecule, the energy will be again deactivated and energy will be equalized, just like the first equation A and A. That's it. And this equation shows that this is the first possibility of the excited molecule. Third option is that excited molecule don't combine, don't collide, don't strike with the other molecule, but it becomes the product. Okay. In this step, you can say that the product is formed, and this is basically is the final product which we need. Now, whatever the rate of the reaction or whatever the reaction which take place into account, we must show that what is the consideration possible steps which are taking place in the reaction, and what are the step or step determination the reaction which determine as well as the rate of a reaction. Then there are the two possible effects which control the mechanism of the reaction. Actually, mechanism of the reaction belongs to the whole reaction, and whole reaction is not single step. It's basically three-step reaction. And what is the reaction of the first order and first time, and sometime it becomes the second order reaction. Then depending upon the condition of the reaction. And in the first mentioned reaction, the rate of deactivation, activation, as well as the deactivation and the conversion of activated molecule into the product, it should be calculated. And how can you calculate it, the rate of formation of a product? This is the formula through which you can find out the rate of a formation of a product. M stands for the rate of a formation of a product, final product, and K3 is the final step in which products are formed. Only one step which has the product is the third step. Because it's only one step, only in a single product is present in here. You can calculate the amount of the you can't activated molecule, the concentration you can't find at the first time. You have to be find out the rate equation from which you can only find the rate of a formation of a product. In this sense, you can calculate the A star value from previous equations. Previous equations means step 1 and the step 2. Directly you can't calculate the A star value, so you use the first and the second equations. And first and the second equation you have to be solved like that. That's equal to K1 AA are basically rectangle. 2 and 3 are basically K2 and K3 basically is the steps in which activated product is produced. A star को हम इस equation में जो है वो common लेंगे. You can see here in this step we take the A star common from the equation. Why? Because we want to calculate the A star value. From this equation you can calculate whole the A star value by dividing the other substituent from the equation. Okay, let's see. From equation number 1, you see here, this is the equation number 1. Here is the A star. जो आपने A star की value calculate की है बच्चों, you will be put up this equation, the value of A star in the equation number 1, and now this equation will be changed in this sense. In which all the K rate constants and other factors are determining and they can be easily calculated as compared to the A star. Now this is not so much complicated as equation number 1. Okay. Now is this equation basically is the relationship from which you can find out the formation of a product and the value of the rate of the reaction and also the general values when they improve from the certainty and the nature of the reaction and concentration values and similarly the change according to the condition. The first thing the Lingman defined that here is that reaction depends upon the conditions. What is the conditions at high pressure and at the low pressure? So we will discuss here these results, all these from equation which we concluded by optimizing the conditions. Raise the conditions at high pressure and at low pressure. Both the results will show different values at the high pressure and at the low pressure. It's not necessary that you always apply the pressure. You can also apply the other conditions too. It's only for the example to understand the Lindman mechanism. Let's start for the high pressure. When pressure increase, then K2 step is greater than K3 in the three directions. Then K3 step can be ignored, and if you implies these all the parameter in the molecule and close enough to collide with each other, then you can say that useful gradients are formation at the high pressure. थोड़ा सा मैं आपको खुद explain करती हूँ. When molecules are close each other, they can collide each other. That when they collide each other, then case 2 step is more possible that excited molecule can de-excited easily to convert the energy as compared to production of the product. Understand? Then K2 is more greater than the K3. Then K3 को आप ignore कर दें. If you ignore the K3 in the above equation, then the value will be like that: K3, K1, K2, and A square in A. And now A it will be cancelled and other K you can pronounce here K3, K1, and K2. Generally we took that it's a constant. ठीक है? Now whatever the value of k, it will be constant, it will remain constant. And now the equation, if you consider the equation, in this equation it's clearly indicated that reaction is first order type, and this first order type reaction determine that only concentration products are the responsible for the rate of a reaction. It means the condition play important role in the nature of the reaction. Okay, or this may be further classified from the second possible condition, and which is the low pressure. So हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं इसको हाई प्रेशर पे और लो प्रेशर पे. जो आपका हाई प्रेशर है वो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया, इट्स द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर टाइप. एंड हाउ वी विल डिस्कस द लो प्रेशर when we reduce the pressure and low pressure, then K3 step will be promoted as compared to the K2. You say that more product will be formed, and from here less collision, less activated product collisions, and more product will be formed with the excited activated molecule A star. K2 can be ignored and K3 can be written in this equation. And what is the activated molecule? Then the rate equation will turn into, in this case, all the constants are written here, and equation clearly shows that it's the second order type, A square. It means rate of addition is directly proportional to the A square. A square means the exponents are square form. Then the rate of formation of a product is also the second order type. And what is the difference between high molecule, high pressure? The high molecule number is greater, and at low pressure, molecule number is low. Then at the higher pressure, reaction is first order, and at low pressure, reaction is second order. It's the difference. Now, this relationship totally indicate that under the reduced pressure, the reacting gases, the formation of product will be of the second order. And this discussion of the collision, it is interfered that the reaction taking place will not be independent of the conditions. It means it should be carried out that how much temperature, how much pressure, how much volume, how much concentration, these all control the velocity, and they depend upon the nature of the reaction, and they control the condition of the reaction and the products and rate of a reaction. So this theory can be final result that the rate as well as the order of a reaction, and must be specify the condition under which this reaction is taking place. It means how much is temperature, how much is heat, how much is pressure, how much number of mole. It should be indicated. Otherwise, reaction change होने से आपका product and the nature of a reaction can be changed. If a reaction is of any other condition, then other products will be formed, and change conditions पे आपकी जो है वो quantity of the reaction and products quantity, products rates, all will be changed. Okay, student. This was your first order unimolecular theory, and the question is that, student, what is the difference between the at low pressure and at high pressure of the Lindman mechanism unimolecular theory? Okay. Give the answer and reply this. And second question is that why chlorine activated in the second step में जो है वो chlorine क्यों increase होता है in the second step? 3 steps हैं, तो second step में chlorine क्यों increase होता है? And final thing is that students, आपका जो वाइवा है dipole moment वाला, वो मैं आपका जो है वो कल लूँगी, ठीक है, after lecture. So be prepared. Okay, Lafis.
You don't even know my wildest dreams. Maybe it is all just chemistry, but